Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a first tune to the car, and thanks for Mhd for making this video happen. Well, first of all, let's get those two cars here because I'm going to do a jumping cable. I'm not going to do the battery charger as I recommended, but that should work. And yeah, let's get the cars first and then I will see you there. So in this video I'm going to use my brother Corolla jumping cable to my Beamer. Let's get both of them to the parking lot. So here we have both of the cars for the purpose of, jumping cable the batteries. And let's do it. I mean, it happens that the battery is on the front. I mean, on the front, yeah. And then my BMW battery is on the back, so that's why I pack it back and forth. Now guys, before starting anything, it's recommended that you leave all your windows open just in case something happened. There's a battery you could get inside the car. I mean, because it's hot right now, I'm just gonna open everything. So I could breathe while I'm doing the video. Alright, so let me back the seat because it's so close to the steering wheel. Alright, we're getting comfortable, like that. Alright, so let's actually start by opening the Mhd app and let's purchase the package and whatever. So yeah, the license stores. Alright, so I think we have to purchase the module first, and let's do that first. It's $97 basically. Let's do that. Payment successful. Alright, that's been purchased. And since my car, it's unmodified, I mean, yes, it is unmodified, so we have to go with the stage 1 petrol map stock 1, I guess. Yeah, stage 1. We also, this is like $50 plus tax, so let's do that. Alright, payment successful. Alright, great, we should get to go now. And before, I think you have to have your OBD thing. You open it, unlock it, whatever you call it, and put this one. This is in, and you got to have like an adapter. Some people call it OTG cable, call it an adapter. It's a USB to mini USB or micro USB for Android. Alright, I think we have like a jumping cable right here. Yep, there is. We have positive to the negative and positive to the negative, and let's go and start it right now. See how it goes. Turn on the Corolla. Let's go straight to the Mhd app. Here we go. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. Alright, flash an Mhd map. Alright, current V7. Octane 91. Automatic. Auto strength. Alright, it's working guys. So, full right. It's gonna take about like 18 to 38 minutes. That's what it says right there. Let me zoom in. And I thought I was doing something wrong, which is I was having it on the airplane mode. I think I have to have it on the airplane mode, whatever. So I mean, anyway, let's full right, and here we go. Waiting for the text to complete. All right. Make sure battery charging. Full right. Option. Oh, here we go. Salzburg duration. I'm gonna save it to the hard. I'm not sure. Like it that way. Alright, full right. Mistake I was doing, I wasn't having the proper, you remember when I told you guys how was it, like there's several options, you could go to the left, to the right. Well, I was having it to the left. I mean, man, I was stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm so excited guys, but that's why I was making a mistake, because I'm so excited about this. And now it's running. It's 35 minutes left, I guess, and I see some lights right there, which it should be okay. Not sure. And yeah, I mean it's 1%, but we're almost there. And yes guys, I'm really so excited about this. We are now at, let's see, 5%. Let's see, let me show you. We are at the 5%. I should be getting really better because my car is it is a stock, but I have the cold air intake and I have the muffler that we should give it a little bit better push than stock car. So yeah, I'm really excited, and let's see how that goes. Yeah, as we're coming so close, it's 20%, 29 minutes. I mean, I'm not sure about that time, but I guess like if it's 20%, if it's 30%, well, that what really matters. And we're kind of like on the 28th right now, which is pretty good. All right, let's wait for a little bit, guys. We're at the 50%. So excited. We're almost halfway there. 50%. We're almost halfway there. Yeah. I don't know if I showed you guys this in the previous video, I guess, but this, how bad is this turning? And I went to the dealership yesterday and they tried to charge me like over like $300 to $400 just to fix that. I mean, man, I will do it myself. I purchased the molding already through Amazon, and I'm gonna be installing it. Man, that's like that thing for $400. Man, that's a lot. I'm gonna be doing it by myself. It's only 35 or 36. Even if it's $40, man, that's still nothing compared to 400. So not sure if I'm gonna do a video or not, but that thing's gonna be fixed. Cause that thing, like right there, where is it like it's gone away? It's been gone. It's been like hitting the windshield and making like funny noise. So I thought there was, you know, something went wrong with the engine or something. So I was really scared, but man, that was the problem right there. Anyway, guys, right now it's 80%. 7 minutes left. I really can't wait, man. Man, I'm really excited about this. You know, 80%, 81%. Here we go. That's pretty good. It's pretty cool. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Can't wait until I test drive the car, man. Guys, we're literally 90%. 3 minutes left. Man, we're so close there. We're so close. Guys, literally 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 96%. We're almost there. 1 minute left. Guys, look at that. 45 seconds left. Oh my god. 40 seconds. Let's keep it that way. 35. 99%. We're almost there. Bunch of lights, whatever. 30%. 25. Alright, let's go. Let's go. 20. Alright, come on, come on. Come on, guys, come on. 15. Why am I having problem pronouncing 15? Anyway. Alright, 10. We're almost there. 10. Yeah. I guess 5 next. 5. Oh my god, 5 seconds. Oh my god, 5 seconds. 0. 0. Alright, what's going on now? Alright, DME started normal operation. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright, that's good. I'm not sure if that's good anyway. Coding, what is that? Clearing codes. Okay, great. Okay, cool, cool. Turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds. Oh my god! Success! Oh my god, success! Oh my god, success! Alright, turn off ignition. Guys, alright guys, we are ready to turn on the car. And let me just... Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, everything nice. No lights. Everything good. Okay, guys, seriously, I cannot tell you guys how much that made a difference. I mean, I'm on stage 1 and it sounds amazing. I can't show you guys the sound really because it's so traffic right here. I don't know how to make the sound, man. Maybe I should park. I don't know if that works, but all right, here's a clip. Hopefully you guys could hear the sound pretty good. All right, let's go. We are like at this. Hopefully you guys heard that pops. It's amazing. It's crazy. Oh my god. All right, let's do it. Let's do another one. Let's go to the manual, and this time I'm gonna try to put it. still popping. Oh my god, it's amazing. Alright guys, we're done. Thank you for watching another video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you to the next one.